let's look at example 2. Now on this one, I'm going to do letters left, numbers right. That makes it easier when I go to shade for my answer. So I'm going to start out by subtracting 2x from both sides. I need to move my letters to the left. So now I'm going to have 4 minus 5x is less than or equal to 7. I don't flip the sign because I didn't multiply or divide, okay? Now let's take the next step. I'm going to take and move my numbers to the right. So if it's a positive 4 here, I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides, and I end up with negative 5x is less than or equal to 3. Now my last step is to get rid of the negative 5. They multiplied, so I'm going to have to divide by the negative 5. So when I divide by a negative number, don't forget to flip the sign. So I'm going to get x is greater than or equal to negative 3/5. So let's do a number line for that. Let's draw our number line over here. Let's put negative 3/5 on it. Now we want to follow the arrow. If you have done letters left, numbers right, you can follow the arrow. It's going to the right, so I'm going to shade to the right. Now what I have to look at now is this symbol, and I have to decide, do I use a parenthesis or a bracket? Because of the equal to, I need to use a bracket, and the bracket faces the way you shade it. So it would look like that. Now what that tells me is that every number to the right of negative 3/5 makes the original statement true. Everything to the left doesn't work. And this time, negative 3/5 does work because it's a bracket, the equal to. If there were a parenthesis there, then it would not work. Okay? So let's do interval notation. My left end point here is a negative 3/5. Remember, you're looking at the shaded part. Negative 3/5, and it has a bracket, comma. My right end point, it doesn't end there, keeps going, so that would be a positive infinity. You don't have to put the plus sign in front. It's not wrong if you do. Now, you can never equal infinity, so you have to use a parenthesis with infinity. So all the numbers, negative 3/5 and greater, will make that a true statement.